Good morning, everyone. Before we start, let me quickly check everyone's grooming. Is everyone's uniform clean and pressed? Great! Perfect! Now, let's go over a few things we need to pay extra attention today. First off, we have a VIP group coming in today. They'll be our family as a reservation for 8 people. They will be seated at VIP table number 5. So let's make sure we give them the privacy they requested. Now, a quick update on the menu. Our grilled salmon fillet is unavailable today due to a supplier issue. Also, the pumpkin soup will be delayed as we're waiting on a fresh delivery of pumpkin. We're also running low on fresh orange juice. And upon checking in our system, we're also running low on fresh orange juice. And the next delivery will be later this afternoon. If customer requests it, feel free to suggest the fresh lime juice as a great alternative. A quick reminder, our best seller, the spicy shrimp pasta, is in a high demand today. Please keep an eye on the stock and let me know when it's running low so we can prevent any issues. I also want to highlight an important issue with our paper napkins. We're almost out of stock and the new delivery won't be in until next week. Please use them sparingly and remind guests to be mindful. Also, we received some feedbacks last week regarding the pace of service. So let's make sure we focus on improving our speed and efficiency without compromising the quality of service. Remember, first impression matters. We also have a new menu item today. The mango pineapple smoothie is a refreshing tropical blend. I highly recommend suggesting it to our guests. One last thing. Chef Ronel won't be here today due to an emergency, so Chef Sam will be handling the kitchen. I have full confidence in Chef Sam, but let's all support him today. Today, we're down to 7 crew members, so it's important we work together, stay on top of things, and keep a positive attitude. That's all for today's briefings. Anyone question or concern? Before we get started? No? Perfect. Let's get to work. Thank you and have a wonderful day.